Hi there, students. No hard feelings. Okay, this is a phrase that means there are no feelings of being upset. Yeah. I'm really sorry. And the guy said, no worries, no hard feelings. So I'm not going to show it against you. Um, I beat him in the final of the competition and he came up and shook hands with me, yeah, just to show that there were no hard feelings, yeah, that he wasn't resentful about the fact that I had won, yeah. This is usually said as a standalone phrase. No hard feelings, right? Yeah. Certainly were some very hard feelings after the argument. Okay, you can use it in the positive, but most commonly we use it in the negative. I'm really sorry things turned out like this, but no hard feelings. Yeah, I know the girl went off with me instead of you, but no hard feelings. Yeah. um the 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 boss of the company had to lay off to make unemployed several of the workers, but there were no hard feelings because they understood the situation and they understood that the company was going bankrupt. Yeah. Okay. So I hope there are no hard feelings about me excluding you from this group. Yeah, I hope there are no hard feelings about me getting the promotion instead of you. So it's a way to say that you still like someone, that you still want to be friendly with someone after you've just beaten them in a fight, in a competition, in an argument. Yeah. When I heard that my friend's company had won the contract that we were both competing for, I rang him to say no hard feelings. So you can also say, I hope there are not any hard feelings. I prefer using it with the structure no. Okay, so it's saying we're still friends. I know we've been competing, but don't hold this against me. Don't be upset with me. There are no hard feelings about this. Yeah. Okay, so let's stay friends. This isn't something for us to argue about. Let's see, formality. I'm going to give this a 3 in formality as well. I think use it in an informal conversation. You could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation, but certainly no more. And then hard feelings at the origin means anger, being upset, being strongly emotional. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you didn't, you can give it a thumbs down and there'll be no hard feelings. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. No hard feelings.